Okay, so continuing on. This presentation discusses exploratory data analysis using cognitive analytics and covers the material needed for homework 3. Um, so this lecture will probably be a little bit shorter because now we're getting into more stuff that we can actually do applied learning. So um, hopefully this week we'll do more actual programming or data visualization using software and a little less of me just talking about what you could do. Anyhow, let's get started. So, exploratory data analysis provides a summary of the main characteristics of the data, and the use of visualization allows it to be quickly and easily understood. So, exploratory analysis can identify anomalies or outliers, which variables are the most important, changes that occur within a variable, and patterns and relationships between those variables. Cognitive analytics and knowledge discovery can examine questions in natural language, provide recommendations, and pose new questions about the data. So it is kind of, the highest level of analytics. We're going to use some IBM software, I believe, called cognitive analytics uh, that'll be more of the case study or the applied part of the class that we do in the live class session. So, cognitive analytics uses these advanced abilities to draw conclusions and provide insights into large volumes of data, which is often unstructured. So there are many types of cognitive analytics, and we'll be reviewing several and how they are applied in this presentation. Machine learning is used to develop an algorithm that can improve its performance over time, providing personalized experiences for people. Deep learning involves the use of abstract variables, including speech recognition and image identification using neural network models. So deep learning is really just a term for when we use super powerful computers to run very big neural networks, typically utilized on uh, um, text images or image recognition, speech recognition, natural language processing, etc. So deep learning is often used to simplify the customer shopping experience by introducing convenient features. So natural language processing allows meaning to be drawn from text that was written in a natural form, and computer vision creates meaning from pixels and images to allow for recognition of faces, scenes, and objects. Computer vision is what makes automated checkouts and driverless cars possible. So IBM has a computer named Watson, maybe you've heard of it, that processes natural language. It uses machine learning to create a recommendation system. In this class, we'll talk more about recommendation systems in a later chapter, but it's pretty useful, um, I guess, subcategory of topics. And recommendation engineer is, if you get really good at building recommendation systems, can be a pretty good job. Anyways, so this Watson, it competed on Jeopardy against Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter and won using over 100 algorithms. So the machine learning algorithms that it could have used are, like random forests, support vector machines, naive Bayes, all things we're going to learn about in the spring if you are in the MSABA program, and how to run those on. But you can see how artificial intelligence is being used, and if you have recent news with the what is it, the Writers Guild in Hollywood is getting angry because they're afraid artificial intelligence is going to take their jobs and write their scripts for them. But clearly, you can see from this clip that it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. Okay, and let's see where okay, back to the wonderful aspects of cognitive analytics. So cognitive analytics can be used to facilitate interactions between a company and its customers, to engage with customers, chatbots, for example, to convert shoppers to customers, and to improve the customer experience. Many companies, including those listed on the slide, use cognitive analytics already. It is used to support internal operations and decision making. Toyota uses Watson to improve their call center service, and Honda uses NLP to reduce the time it takes to analyze customer feedback. And while overall these things are often good, it is rare that a customer actually wants to talk to a chatbot or robot, as the service just isn't at the right level yet. I don't know if it ever will be, but it's important to maintain perspective. Personally, I hate having to fight through their menus trying to get to a representative to actually solve the problem, but maybe one day. So, to gain better insights, companies can use both internal and external data. Internal sources of data includes customer sales and service records, and these are useful because they are specific to the company and no one else has this information. So, combining this data with external sources provides the most value. Cognitive analytics looks at both unstructured and structured data, which provides the value. All right. So, this was a little shorter chapter. Like I said, we'll do the case study in this chapter and it'll be more of applied, but this should cover all the material necessary for homework 3. But like I said, we'll continue talking more about and actually applying what's in this chapter in the live session.